Alright, this is 5-6, lesson number 2, factoring trinomials by shortcut number 1. Alright, so a lot of teachers teach this method first for X method because it makes things easy. It's not my preference. Whenever your leading coefficient is 1, in other words, A equals 1, you can use this trick. So, my goal is to still get 4 pieces, but it turns out when I get those 4 pieces, I already am done. So, let me show you guys. A times C is equal to 12, B is equal to 7. 1 times 12, 2 times 5, 2 times 6, and lastly 3 times 4. And if I add them, I had 13, 8, and 7. That's the one I want. So, I'm going to break this up to be y squared plus 3y plus 4y plus 12. Again, I took the 7 and I broke it up to be 3 plus 4, and I chose that one using my AC method. 3 times 4 is 12, and they add up to be 7. So now, I factor out the y, so I end up with y plus 3. I factor out the positive 4, I end up with y plus 3, y plus 3, y plus 4. Wait, what were the two values we broke up 7 to be? 3y and 4y? What do we have here? We have y plus 3 and y plus 4. Let's try that again with example 2. So, if I use my AC method, I have A times C is equal to 15, B is equal to negative 8. So 3 and 5 give me 8. That's not what I wanted. I really wanted negative 3 times negative 5, which multiplies to be 15, but adds to give me negative 8. So, my prediction is that I'm going to have x minus 3, x minus 5, because that's what I have here. Let's see if it works. So if I rewrite x squared minus 3x minus 5x plus 15. 4 pieces, so I group. Factor out the x to have x minus 3. Factor out the negative 5 to be left with x minus 3. Oh look, x minus 3, x minus 5. So from here on out, anytime that you have a equals to 1, when you have these two values, the negative 3, the negative 5, or the 3 and 4, just automatically jump to this. You don't have to do the factor by grouping.